Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech TV. I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to delete Viber messages using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to delete your Viber messages, tap open your Viber application first. Make sure you're logged into your account and you are in the chats area of Viber. You'll be able to see a list of your Viber chats displayed in the screen. If you want to delete a particular message from Viber, then find the message and swipe it towards the left side of your screen. You'll be able to see three options displayed: pin, hide, and delete. To delete a particular message, tap on the delete button highlighted in red, and there you'll be able to delete a certain message from your Viber chat list. That was quite easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.